So, to the birthday boy. Oh, we got this go that time. This one, it can't day only kind of. So I just sing them once in a while. So to the birthday boy, because if you are not 100, sir, you are still a boy. Yeah. Psalms 91, verse the last one. It says, with long life shall I satisfy you, and I will show you my salvation. Now if you say the salvation where you see now, it never reach. You go still this. Salvation means money, billions of dollars. Salvation means picking children, to give everybody that are here that wants God to give them children. Salvation means, settlement, heavenly settlement, total settlement. You answer nothing, sir. Happy birthday to you. Long life and prosperity. Oh my Benny, oh Benny Besh. I tell us ya Benny. I tell us I'm on pay or no. You know the meaning? The sole of your feet touches the ground just to check up on the ground. That's what Yoruba says. They say as the sole of our feet is touching the ground, it's just checking up it's not checking up on the ground to see how far the ground is doing. Like checking up on you. So Atelese Abeno, that is to say, the sole of your feet shall check up on the ground for a long time. Labalaba to ba wa dibo legun re. Aṣọ ma fàya. Igbe eke ni mo gbọ́ tí ń fọwọ́ ti ní. Tí ẹ̀kẹ́ bá dúró bá. Adàbẹ̀ ní kò ń lọ fọwọ́ ti ní. Ẹ mọ̀ ká tó ń pè lẹ́kẹ́ pillars. Because in the olden days, they don't use the normal pillar that we are using. They don't use all these bricks. They use opan. What is this opan? Opan. Bamboo. That's what they do. They use that. So the name of opan in the real Yoruba is eke. So igbe eke ló máa ń fi ọwọ́ ti lé. Ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ wípé Olódùmarè ó kọjá àgbà ẹ̀kẹ́. Yóò wá fọwọ́ tì ọ́, yóò dúró tì ọ́, yóò gbá ọmú, yóò dì ọmú. O ò ní ṣubú, o ò ní tẹ́, o ò ní wọlé lójú, o ó darúgbó, o ó dàgbà, o ò wá ní dàgbà lásán, o ò tún darúgbó, o ò wá ṣe kùjẹ́kùjẹ́, o ò tún wá ní fọ̀pá tẹ̀lẹ̀ níbùjẹ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ní orúkọ Jésù. Happy birthday to you. Ó ṣe é dàbí òun, ó pín ẹ ní ìpín tí ó jọ tẹ́lẹ̀ kejì. Ó lálẹ́ o, ìwọ ni àmì aṣẹ̀dá lákọ̀ ọ̀run. Owolabi, àdágbẹ̀yìn ni ẹ, ó wá fi ẹ́ jọba ohun gbogbo tó ti kọ́kọ́ dá. Ó dá ẹ, ó sún ẹ nílé, ìwọ ni bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àṣẹ Olódùmarè ni. Ṣàkọlọ́kẹ́ ṣàkọlọ́. Yes sir, ẹ ṣé sir, ẹ ṣé sir, ẹ ṣé sir, ẹ ṣé sir. Àmì òun ìwọ́lá, àyànmọ́ ògo ogún rẹ̀. Ẹ̀dá ẹ̀mí ló fi ṣèránṣẹ́ rẹ̀, àkọ́rí ìran ojú òkú rẹ̀ ni. Sọ pé mo ní ìmí ìyè ẹ̀mí inú, ẹni tí ò rí ẹ kò rí nǹkan. Ẹni tí ò rí bíṣọ̀ kò rí nǹkan. Ẹ máa sọ wípé ẹni tí ò rí ẹ kò ríṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run. Ẹni tí ò rí ẹ kò rí nǹkan. I wish you a happy birthday. I wish you a happy birthday. It's another Christmas for you. It's another New Year for you. I wish you a happy birthday. Many happy returns. Muso. Hip. Thank God bless you.